Hey, what is going on, guys? xALMiGhTyxPANDax here today on June 17th daily vlog, the 7th installment, I think, right? 7? Wow, we're already at a week in, I think, or seven vlogs in. I don't know. Either way, today we are going to go to this Panola Mountain nature thingy. We've been wanting to go for a while, but I never wake up before 12 until like recently. So we're gonna go to that, and then we're gonna go to the mall. I gotta get my dad something for Father's Day. So gotta do that. Cue that intro. Hey, what's going on?
Hey guys, what's going on?
What's going on, guys?
What's going on, guys? xALMiGhTyxPANDax here.
Alright, so we are now here. Where are you going, man? We are now here. So, you know, check it out. See what it's all about. Alright, guys, so that is the end of that. As you can see, I am pouring sweat because I'm a sweaty boy. But now we are going to the mall. Transition. Alright, guys, so we're in the mall. Time to find my dad some stuff for his Padres Day. Alright, guys, so we have went to the mall. I will reveal what I got for my father towards the end of the video, but now we're going to the Bucks of the Stars. So yeah, you know. So that perhaps is the fanciest Starbucks I've ever seen in my entire life. It was like super nice inside. It's kind of weird, but whatever. I got the right size straw now. Originally I had a super small one, but now I have a normal one. So now we are going home. Alright, guys, it's time for the moment you've all been waiting for. I know this is what you've waited for. There's Nancy. You want to see what I've got my father for Father's Day. It's an iHome speaker thing. Oh wow, it reflects in the light. Apparently this thing has voice control, and it also changes colors to like 3 different colors. It's pretty dope. 360 LED color mode. He likes to play music. We've got like a cheap speaker that he uses, so I decided to get him that one because it's a lot cooler, and I needed to get him something. So I hope he'll like it. I'm sure he will, and if he doesn't, then he can
get his own Father's Day gift next year for being ungrateful. Anyways, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like. Also, subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your dog, tell your cat, even tell Nancy if you see one. Also, there are 2 videos in the corner of this video. Go check those out if you're not doing anything, or if you want to watch more videos of mine. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.